Morning, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Putting a little short video together about all the parts I used on the black tank or gray tank pressure washer. And remember, you can do a lot of your plumbing and all, because it does get a lot of soap scum in it and all that. I'm going to use it on my house because I have septic here, so I'm going to really clean those pipes out. But here we go. We have this, which is Velveeta Clearview 3-inch bayonet T1022. Alright, so if you watch the video, I had that hooked up. Then I had this hose, right? And I have this one, right? That's a 45 degree. And then what I did, this is where you hook your hose up like normally, a water hose. I drilled it out, slid this through. So remember, now this is what goes down in the pipe. You push it in, but if you had a Ford one that shot water out this way, you'd be fighting pushing the pipe in. This one, if you see the little holes right there, 1, 2, 3. So that is jetting backwards at 45 degrees. So right there, I got that. Now, that's a 50-foot hose right here. It has a working pressure of, I believe, 4,400 psi. Okay. My pressure washer, Husqvarna, was 3,000. Now this is just a simple little piece of pipe I cut. I put it in the handle of the pressure washer to keep it on. Eventually I'll find just a short handle, maybe a high pressure ball valve, and install that and put it all in this bucket. Right now I'll be using that. So here's some of the part numbers of what I paid, but it doesn't really matter what I paid. So Velveeta T12 clear hose adapter, it was $15.94. The 45 degree hydro flush FO to 4100 was $22.49. And then I got myself, this is the Ridge Washer Sewer Jetter Kit for pressure washer, 50-foot hose, 1/4 inch, drain jetting, laser and rotating sewer nozzle, 3,600 psi, orifice 4.0, 4.5. All right, it came with different orifices. And then I got an extra set of them because that thing's spinning, probably will burn up eventually. PWACCS sewer jet nozzle for pressure washer, stainless steel drain cleaning, $15.99. And the hose and all was $40. I want to show you something else too. At the end of this, they said just put Teflon tape and tighten it up. I put Loctite on there because when I got done, this was loose. I'm very lucky that it didn't blow off and I lose it. I probably could blow it out. So I use red Loctite on that. Permatex high strength thread locker bed. And you can see the part number is 27140. Now this stuff ain't cheap. It's like $25, $30 a bottle. You can get a little squeeze tube like about that size right there of the white cap, and it's like $5 or $6. Well, like I said, that was a short video. I told you I would give you a list of the parts. Thank you very much. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, please. When I reach 6,000 members, which I'm at 4,600 now, I'll be giving away up to $400 cash or tools, your choice. I could put together an electrical kit for you or whatever, right? Troubleshooting. So go ahead and subscribe. Excuse me. Coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Is it? I don't know. There you go. Anyway, it's Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. What's the motto? Test, not guess. What's clean the black tank got to do with test, not guess? Vote to clean your black tank out. Especially y'all buying all these older RVs and people haven't taken care of them. The stuff is dried up bad. Just pressure wash the heck out of it with that little tool. It ain't hard to make. You could use one of them little cheap pressure washers, like 1,300 psi. It's not good as a 3,300 psi, but it's better than nothing. You'll get it out of there at 1,300 psi. There'll be little pieces if you watch the video prior to this, the second video out of 3. So, what's the other saying I say? Safe travels. May your campfire burn bright till we meet again, whether it be on the YouTube channel, whether it be in the garage in school with Rvdiagnostics, 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware 19973. Come on by. Please just don't stop. Give me an email at jeff@rvdiagnostics. Also, if you belong to my website where it's one-on-one, that's another place we meet. You get my telephone number so you can call me, make an appointment. All right, text me. A lot of people are trying to call me, and that's not the rule. The rule is text first, and then I get with you because I'm busy working on RVs, like cleaning boot tanks. What's another place we can meet? Campground, right? If you see me over there, just come on, talk a little bit. It depends what day it is, how I feel, because when I'm camping, I'm usually on a little vacation with my wife, so we can look at your RV maybe, but I'm not really going to fix it. If it's hot out or nasty or whatever, I'm just going to talk to you about it. So when it cools off or whatever, nice. It's nice now here in Delaware. So what's another place we meet? At the fueling stations. That's where we meet. I'll wave to you, talk to you, come on over and say hello. And I'll see you on the road. Another place we meet. I'll wave and honk my horn. Big ol' air horns. All right. Thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics.